Look at it in the pool.
The flowers like done.
Holy moly!
Hey Carter, what is happening?
Yeah, that's funny, huh?
What is that on the ground?
Look at it, it's making those big splashes in the water.
Yeah.
Dang. You can have icebergs floating out there pretty soon.
Icebergs, Did we see that movie
We saw
with you?
Titanic together, yeah.
I saw it like 3 times, but just when I said it, I was like, wait a minute, we saw that with him.
Man, some of those are huge.
Some of those are like, dang.
Listen to it hitting the roof. Oh my gosh.
Man, look at the size of some of those.
Some of those are huge, look at that.
Well, the flowers that took forever to bloom are dead now. I had backups for my kids who were making them for Mother's Day. And
Oh yeah.
we were right at the front of a flower finally. Jeez.
Crazy.
What is that?
Wow, those are some big ones.
Yeah.
Is that gonna dent cars?
Probably.
Maybe a little.
What is that, Carter? What's that called?
Say hail.
Hail.
Daddy, right there.
Yeah, that is.
Daddy made hail.
No, I said daddy right there. Who's behind you? Turn around. Who's that? Who's that?
And Wendy.
Yeah,
Wow.
good memory. Give me 5, Carter.
High five.
Yeah, sweet.
Give it
Give me
back.
5.
He's not good at receiving. There you go.
One,